بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear students, welcome to lecture 4 of the first lesson, Adventures of Isabel. Students, in this lesson, we learnt about the courage of a little girl whose name is Isabel. Students, in the first stanza, we learnt that Isabel meets a big bear who was very hungry and said, "Isabel, I am going to eat you." But Isabel didn't worry. She remained calm and easily ate the bear. In second stanza, it says that Isabel meets a witch, and the face of the witch was cross and wrinkled, and the teeth on her gums were sprinkled and irregular. The witch said, "Isabel, I'll turn you into a toad." But Isabel didn't worry. Again she remained calm, and she didn't show any anger and hate. She easily turned the witch into milk and drank her. In next stanza, it says that Isabel meets a very ugly giant who was looking very horrible with one eye on his forehead. The giant said, "Isabel, I'll turn your bones into powder to make my bread." But Isabel didn't worry. She remained calm. She ate and took the biscuit and easily cut the giant's head off. Students, this was a brief summary of these three stanzas. Now, last adventure. Students, in last adventure, Isabel meets an upset doctor. Isabel meets a doctor who was looking very disturbed. The doctor was teasing her with punches and pushes till he shocked her, amazed her. At that time, the doctor was talking about coughs and colds, and his bag was full of tablets, and said to Isabel, take this medicine, it will make you well." But Isabel didn't worry. She remained calm. She took those pills from the doctor and easily cured the doctor by her cool attitude. Students, this was a brief summary of this last stanza. Now look at your books. Isabel met a troublesome doctor. He punched and he poked till he really shocked her. The doctor's talk was of cups and chills, and the doctor's satchel bulged with pills. The doctor said unto Isabel, "Swallow this, it will make you well." Isabel didn't worry. Isabel didn't scream or scurry. She took those pills from the pill concoctor, and Isabel calmly cured the doctor. Now students, listen carefully. Isabel met a troublesome doctor. Troublesome means upset, disturbed. Isabel met an upset doctor. He punched and he poked. Punched means to hit, mukka marna, and he poked. Poked means धक्का देना. Till he really shocked her, यहाँ तक कि उसको, इज़ाबेल को सचमुच में परेशान किया. Shocked means परेशान करना. The doctor's talk was of cups and chills. Cups means kansi, and chills means cold, nazla zukam. The doctor was talking about cups and colds, and the doctor's satchel bulged with pills. Satchel means a small bag, and bulged means full of, भरा हुआ. Pills means गोलियां, tablets. The doctor's bag was full of tablets. The doctor said unto Isabel, swallow this. Swallow means निगलना, लेना, to take, eat. Take this. Take this medicine. It will make you well. It will make you healthy. Take this medicine. It will make you well. Isabel didn't worry. Isabel didn't scream or scurry. Isabel ना परेशान हुई और ना चीखी और ना भागी. She took those pills from the pill concoctor. Concoctor means doctor या maker. She took those pills from the pill concoctor. उसने वही tablets डॉक्टर से ली. And Isabel calmly cured the doctor. और इत्मीनान से डॉक्टर को तंदुरुस्त कर दिया, सेहतियाब किया. आराम से डॉक्टर को ठीक कर दिया. Students, this was last stanza. I hope you understand. Now, words to know. Troublesome. Troublesome means upset या disturbed. Punched. Punched means मुक्का मारना या to hit. Poked means to push या धकेलना. Shocked means amazed या surprised. Chills means colds या नज़ला जुकाम, and cups means kansi. Satchel means a small bag. Bulged means भरा हुआ, full of. Pills means tablets या गोलियां. Swallow means to take, निगलना. Concoctor means doctor या maker, and cured means to make well or healthy. Students, now listen carefully. Isabel met a troublesome doctor. Isabel met an upset doctor. He punched and he poked till he really shocked her. डॉक्टर ने इज़ाबेल को मुक्का दिया, धकेला, यहाँ तक कि इज़ाबेल परेशान हुई. The doctor's talk was of cups and chills. The doctor's satchel bulged with pills. डॉक्टर का बैग दवाइयों से भरा हुआ था. Satchel means bag and bulged means भरा हुआ, full of. The doctor said unto Isabel. डॉक्टर ने इजाबेल को कहा, swallow this, it will make you well. या इस दवाई को निगल लो, ये आपको ठीक कर देगा. Isabel didn't worry. Isabel didn't scream or scurry. Isabel बिल्कुल परेशान ना हुई, ना वो चीखी और ना भागी. She took those pills from the pill concoctor. उसने वही गोलियां डॉक्टर से ली. And Isabel calmly cured the doctor. और इत्मीनान से डॉक्टर को सेहतियाब कर दिया. Students, now your homework is you have to write the meanings of these words. Troublesome. Troublesome means upset. Punched. Punched means to hit या मुक्का मारना. Poked. Poked means to push. धकेलना, धक्का देना. Shocked. Shocked means परेशान करना. Chills. Chills means सर्दी या नज़ला ज़ुकाम. Satchel. Satchel means a small bag. Bulged. Bulged means भरा हुआ. Pills. Pills means tablets, गोलियां. Swallow. Swallow means निगलना या to take. And concoctor means maker या doctor. Students, this is question number 1. And question number 2 is, how did Isabel deal with the doctor? How did Isabel deal with the doctor? Listen carefully. You have to write the meanings of these words in your rough notebooks. Troublesome, punched, poked, shocked, chills, satchel, bulged, pills, swallow, and concoctor. This is question number 1. You have to write the meanings of these words in your rough notebook. And question number 2 is, how did Isabel deal with the doctor? How did Isabel deal with the doctor? Students, this was last stanza of the first lesson. I hope you understand. Thanks for watching.
اللهم انفعنا بما علمتنا وعلمنا ما ينفعنا وزدنا علما.